Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Ford Ranger battery using an easy method. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your hands and eyes. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. Then, locate your battery, typically found under the hood on the passenger side. Taking these precautions ensures a smooth and safe process. Now let's disconnect the old battery. Grab your wrench and start by loosening the negative terminal first. This is crucial for safety. Once loose, carefully remove the negative cable and secure it away from the battery so it doesn't accidentally reconnect. Then, repeat this exact process for the positive terminal, removing its cable as well. Always remember negative first, positive second.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. It really supports the channel. On another note, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. Check the description below for the link to these and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
With both cables disconnected, it's time to remove the old battery. First, unfasten the battery hold-down clamp or strap that secures it in place. These can vary by model. Then, carefully lift out the old battery. Be aware, batteries are quite heavy, so lift with your legs. Now, gently place your new battery into the tray, making sure it sits snugly and correctly. Now for connecting your new battery, and remember, the order is reversed. Start by connecting the positive terminal first, tightening it securely with your wrench. Next, attach the negative terminal, ensuring a firm and stable connection. Finally, reinstall the battery hold-down clamp to secure the battery firmly in its tray. Double-check all connections are tight before closing the hood.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.